In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up affiliate marketing on Shopify with Collabs, Beginner's Guide. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and make sure you're on the home dashboard so everything loads correctly. From the left-hand menu, open the Apps section. This is where you'll access tools that extend your store's features. In the Apps view, use the option to visit the Shopify App Store and search for Shopify Collabs. When you see the official Shopify Collabs app, open its page. Take a moment to review the overview and what permissions it needs so you know exactly how it will connect to your store. When you're ready, choose Install. Shopify will prompt you to confirm the installation and approve the required permissions. Click Install again to continue. The app will add itself to your store and then open its onboarding flow automatically. On the Welcome screen, look for the option that highlights finding creators who drive sales. This is the core of affiliate marketing within Collabs, connecting your products with partners who will promote them. You'll also see a brief description about collaborating with creators to reach new audiences using Shopify's built-in tools. Continue from this screen to proceed. Next, select Recruiting. This mode is designed to help you discover and bring creators into your program, rather than waiting passively for applications. Click Get Started to launch the setup wizard. You'll now move through a sequence of Let's Get You Set Up prompts. These screens guide you step by step, so simply follow along and continue when prompted. The flow typically covers the essentials you need to start collaborating, and it's okay if you prefer to keep initial settings simple. You can always return to refine details later. If a screen includes optional fields or descriptions, keep your messaging clear and focused so creators quickly understand your brand and what you offer. As you proceed through each setup screen, use the Continue buttons to advance. If you need to pause for any reason, you can come back to the setup from the Apps section in your Shopify admin and reopen Collabs. Your progress is saved. Keep an eye out for any confirmations along the way so you know each part is successfully applied. Once you've completed the final Let's Get You Set Up prompts, you're finished with the initial configuration. Collabs is now installed, enabled, and ready for you to use within your Shopify admin. That's the full process. Install, confirm, choose Recruiting, get started, and click through the guided setup, so you can begin building your affiliate program with